In the bustling city of Athens, in the heart of ancient Greece, a young man named Aristotle stood among the bustling crowds, his mind teeming with questions about the universe, its mysteries, and the nature of existence. Born in 384 BC, to a distinguished family, Aristotle was no stranger to knowledge. He had been tutoring the future Alexander the Great since the age of 13. Yet, it was the realm of metaphysics that captivated him the most. The study of metaphysics, the branch of philosophy that deals with the fundamental nature of reality, had long intrigued Aristotle. He sought to understand the essence of things, the relationship between matter and form, and the ultimate cause of things. However, his quest for knowledge was not without challenges. The philosophical landscape was diverse, with different schools of thought vying for dominance. The Socratic method, which Aristotle had been schooled in, emphasized critical dialogue and questioning. Plato's idealistic philosophy, with its world of forms, was another influential school. Undeterred, Aristotle embarked on a journey to unravel the mysteries of metaphysics. He left Athens to study under Plato's revered student, Plato's nephew Speusippus, in the academy. But Aristotle felt that the academy's focus on abstract ideals did not fully satisfy his intellectual hunger. In 343 BC, Aristotle left the academy and established his own school, the Lyceum, named after the grove where it was located. Here, he and his students, known as peripatetics, delved deep into various subjects, from biology to politics, but metaphysics remained their core focus. Aristotle's metaphysical views were groundbreaking. He proposed that everything in the universe had an essence, a specific nature that defined it. This essence determined the properties and potentialities of an object. He also introduced the concept of entelechy, the actualization of an object's potential. His metaphysical works, including Metaphysics and Categories, became cornerstones of Western philosophy. They laid the groundwork for future philosophers, from Thomas Aquinas to Immanuel Kant, to build upon. Aristotle's enlightenment in metaphysics not only shaped the course of philosophy but also influenced other disciplines, from theology to science. His work continues to resonate today, serving as a testament to the enduring power of human curiosity and the quest for metaphysical truth. In the end, Aristotle's journey from the bustling streets of Athens to the quiet grove of the Lyceum was not just a journey of distance. It was a journey of the mind, a quest to unravel the mysteries of existence, and a testament to the power of human intellect in the pursuit of metaphysical truth.